You feel like you've been married, but does the Railroad Retirement Board think you're married? Welcome everyone to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Whiteboard. My name is John McNamara, Highball Advisors, and today I thought I'd go down the marriage lane, right? Talking about marriage. So marriage is important for the spousal annuity, okay? And also for the survivor annuity with the current connection, and even for the divorced spousal annuity. So very important. But the thing is, you can't just say to the Railroad Retirement Board, we're married, or I was married to a railroader, right? They require information in order to access these tremendous benefits, okay? So this is just one of those things where you want to cross your T's and dot your I's when it comes to marriage, all right? So I just want to go through this. So marriage, there's two requirements here, the way to look at it. So if the state that you're in, issue you a marriage license, the applicable state law, or the state considers you married, right? Then that's good by the Railroad Retirement Board. Now, the other way is a deemed marriage provision of the Railroad Retirement Act. So that's where it gets a little bit funky there, right? So, if you got married in state, you got your license and all that, that's fine, you're straightforward. But the deemed marriage provision is pretty interesting. So deemed marriage is, first of all, you can't have any adverse claimants. So you can't have two people saying that they're married to the same person. That's going to be a problem. All right. So that's not a good one. So that will blow up everything. Okay. And then you need documenting proof of marriage before the claim can get approved. Right. That's kind of straightforward. So what you need is they have preferred proof of marriages. So here's the way: a certificate of marriage, which is very important, right? A copy from the church, or certified by an official, maybe a justice of the peace. All right. And this was also kind of interesting. Here was this is in the U.S. So the Railroad Retirement Board won't recognize, let's say, marriages that were down in, let's say, Mexico. Right? Say, let's go down to Cabo. We'll get married. This will be great. Railroad Retirement Board doesn't recognize that. So just FYI, you might want to check on that. And then a secondary proof of marriage was sworn statements by clergy or officials, right? So if you can get something certified by them, because maybe you don't have the certificate or something. A divorce decree, right? That kind of obviously says, well, you got a divorce decree, you must have been married, right? So that's one way. Two eyewitnesses, once again, sworn statements, two people that will testify and sign a statement saying, no, they're married, we saw them married. And then also other things are like insurance policies, deeds, passports, those official type documents that would have you both listed on there. So I don't want to raise any alarm bells. I'm sure we're all happily married. But if you just have a little, check that out. Make sure that everything's on the up and up there. Because believe it or not, I've gotten phone calls on this. And yeah, it can get ugly. So anyway, so I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to share it with individuals. Click on my notification bell to get the latest video. Please subscribe to the channel. Trying to get to 10,000. Closing in. Very exciting. And until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.